How to see hidden tagged post on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can see hidden tagged post on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now normally if you had wanted to see your tag post, which means any of the photos where people has used to tag you would have to come to your profile page, and when you tapped on this little profile icon you would be able to see a list of photos where you were tagged. But let's just say that some of the photos are not showing, which means that in this case it is called hidden tagged post. How do you find those hidden tag posts? Well, to do this it's quite simple. After you come to the profile page, tap the three lines option from the top right and go to settings and privacy. In the search box you simply want to type in something similar to tags. So let me also go ahead and type in tags over here. As you type in tags here, you can see tags and mentions, but in order to see your hidden tag post, as a second option you will find manually approved tags. So which means that if any person who is not in your follower list who tries to attempts to tag you, you have to manually approve them. And to view those tags you can tap on manually approved tags. You can just go to pending tags and then you'll be able to see a list of all the tags that are available. You can accept each one of them one by one in order to find out which one works best for you. So this way you'll be able to see hidden tagged posts on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.